Students, we will start the first chapter of political science. What is democracy? Now, what is democracy that we will be studying in this chapter? And first of all, we will be going for the definition of the democracy. Now, the first question arises, why do we need the definition? Why do we need the definition? As there was one discussion going on in the class among the students and the Matilda ma'am, Lingdo ma'am, and students were asking her, why do we require a word to be described? Why do we have to define the word? Why do we have to define the word democracy? So madam explained that if we define the word, then we come to understand the proper meaning of that word and we can distinguish it from other words. Like madam gave one example that if we define rain, we can differentiate it from the drizzle or cloudburst. In the same manner, from the starting, because as it is the simplest definition quoted by the Abraham Lincoln, that democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people, which is very complete and correct. But though we are going for the other definition, and that definition is democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. If we compare both the definition, rule of the people, by the people, for the people, in this also we are talking about the rule by the people, for the people. But here the meaning is complete. The meaning is complete means we are forming a government, we are electing people as the ruler, and these rulers will form the government. In other words, a government in which people elect their rulers as their representatives. That we have already seen. Now you have to go through all these part of the chapter to understand it well. So this is only for the definition that you have to go through and that learn that democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. And we will be studying about the features of the democracy and the arguments in favor of the democracy and arguments against the democracy in the next slide.